Good morning guys, it is 7:15 on the day before you're watching this video, so it's actually Tuesday. It's our first day back in the office. We had a nightmare with trains yesterday, so this is the first day back and we're both feeling exhausted, although we've made it, we're ready to go in really good time. So we're gonna head on the train now. I'm gonna get a coffee and then we're gonna vlog dinner and do all those fun things. So welcome to the vlog. Home from work. It is now 10 to 7. I actually got in the door. I filmed a whole segment of me. Well, I didn't film actually. I tried to film a whole segment of me chatting to you guys about my. Hang on. How do I zoom up? There we go. Sorry about this window. It literally looks like a prison window. I feel like I'm like 100 years old trying to use this. I filmed a whole segment of me chatting to you guys about my work day. I actually showed you these poppies. I picked these up in M&S the other day. This isn't even all of the bunch. I got this whole bunch and then also a bunch through there, but all together, obviously. And they were £10, and I feel like it's the best £10 I've ever spent. It just brightens up the whole room, and look how beautiful they look when they're even all floppy. Also, Matt's brother's wife, actually, she is a florist. She was giving me this tip about when they are starting to look like this, you can basically bend the leaves back when they get a bit worse and make them all look like they're big poppies. So I'm actually going to do that when they get a little bit worse. Does anyone feel like their life is just a revolving door of like Amazon packages, food shopping, cooking dinner? Although I love all that stuff, but I just feel like my life is like Groundhog Day. I'm doing the same thing every single week, Monday to Thursday, and then sometimes I have a bit of variety on the weekends. Anyway, I am feeling a bit of the January blues. It's not Blue Monday, it's actually the Monday after. It's the Tuesday after Blue Monday. But I feel like today is my Blue Monday because I also didn't make it to the office yesterday. So today was my first day in the office this week and I'm just not feeling it. I ended up getting a Nando's for dinner last night and it was delicious. I have no regrets. I got one of the Fino pittas with peri fries and it was just this. It was amazing. I also went via Tesco on my way home. You would have seen a few minutes ago. I picked up a bunch of things that when you just like browsing, this is why I love going to supermarkets. I feel like you just see so many things, depending on how hungry you are. From this haul, you're going to realise how hungry I am. When I was in Tesco, I picked up a bunch of different things. One of them being these strip waffles. I love these when I've ever had them in Starbucks. It's only Starbucks that I think I've really ever had them. And obviously they are an authentic Dutch snack. I just read that off the front of the thing. And you're meant to warm it up on your mug. And I just saw them in Tesco and I thought, why not just pick up some? So I got them. I'm feeling a bit of a sweet tooth. I also got some Kipling slices. And then I picked up, me and Matt, some tiramisus. He's actually out tonight. He's got some work drinks. But I thought, what better evening for me to get some chopping done? I'm going to put a podcast on. I'm going to just chop and make a bit of a veggie, heavy spag bol. And I also got some garlic bread. This one's pretty good. I love the Aldi one that I've told you guys about a million times. This garlic one from Tesco is really good as well. I really just don't rate the M&S one, I think. That's what I figured out. Let's also open some Amazon packages. I actually don't know what I have. I needed some more disposable gloves for doing my tan. I'm actually gonna, if I have enough time tonight, have a bath and do some fake tan. I needed some more disposable gloves. If you haven't listened to me bang on about this before, I'm obsessed with doing my fake tan with disposable gloves. It makes all the difference. So got them. And then I also got, what did I get here? All of these are soaking. They just leave our Amazon packages on the doorstep and it's been torrentially raining. Oh, I also got these. These are just like exfoliating, you know, these little exfoliating loofah things. I just needed some for scrubbing off some old fake tan. Not scrubbing, but you know when you've just got little remnants. So that's that. I'm gonna start cooking dinner now. Let's go and do that together. Oh, I wanted to talk to you. I bought these Muti tomato. You know these are my favourite tomatoes. Whenever you cook anything that is tomato based with them, it tastes amazing. And it's mostly the base, well, it's the whole base of the sauce and it's so delicious. I can't really cook without them. If I'm doing something tomato based, I'd rather not have it if I can't have these. However, these were £6.50 for 4. That is insane. I'm sure they were like 88p when we lived in Balham. And now like that was £6.50 for 4. I don't even know what that equates to. I'm gonna count it. I can't do that mental maths in my head. But I'm outraged at that. Completely outraged. I still bought them, which is telling you a lot about how outraged I am. I also picked up, obviously, the tomato puree. These go hand in hand. With those 2 ingredients and some garlic and onion, anything you cook is going to be amazing. I actually feel like a pasta, so with a plain pasta with literally those tomatoes, a bit of this, onion, garlic, and maybe some basil. It would be delightful. I'm going to start by chopping up some onion and garlic. I'm also going to put some veggies that we have in the fridge in this spag bowl. I actually saw something online the other day where this lady was talking about, in January everyone's talking about New Year's resolutions, everyone wants to be super healthy and everyone's trying to like cut things out of their diets. I'm not on a diet and you know I'm not really a diet person, but I want to get more fruit and vegetables. And actually she was talking about, instead of thinking this mindset of cutting things out, start thinking about what you can add, what are you not getting enough of in your diet. It actually might have been Emily English on Fern Cotton's podcast Happy Place, and yeah, she was basically just saying like try and just add in all the things that you think you should be having and it's gonna work out well for you. Anyway, I am gonna start on this now. I'm also gonna watch Essie's video. I have one of Essie's vlogs and I also have one of Lily Pebbles' vlogs, so look, literally top of the list. I'm gonna watch them, and then sorry, I also have to watch my sister's vlog, so maybe I will watch my sister's first. Well, this one's playing already, so I'm gonna watch this and then I'm gonna watch one of my sisters. I secretly love having a night in to cook by myself. It's kind of my favourite thing.
Now that's the smile that was so tired, Miss Effie. But yeah, that is it.
I've just been watching Fleur de Force's recent vlog. I love her. She is so down to earth. She can talk about really tricky, not tricky, but like awkward things and just be so honest and transparent and not weird about it. And I just think she's so lovely. Like, she was just chatting there about her house and doing renovations and stuff. And obviously, if any of you guys have watched her, you know that she's obviously quite well off. She's got a gorgeous, massive, what looks like a stately home. It looks stunning. And she was able to just like really well navigate, that doesn't even make sense. She was able to really easily navigate basically saying, yeah, like I have quite a big house and it's expensive to upkeep and blah blah blah. And it just, I feel like she's so honest, and she's like one of these YouTubers that you just feel is honest and chats openly about stuff, and I really like her. Anyway, I've just been watching her video for ages. I have a big glass of water. I feel like I've not been hydrating enough recently, and yeah, I love these big glasses. We got these from John Lewis about literally like 3 years ago, and they're so lovely, but they are so thin, and we smashed all the other ones, so I just have one left, and it's a perfect massive pint glass for when you really need like hydration. And this is dinner. I don't want to tip it up too much because I don't want to actually spill it everywhere, but I've got some salad. I actually ended up chucking so much stuff into this spag bol. I'm not sure if Matt will even want some because he doesn't typically like chopped up carrots and like peppers and stuff in his food. He doesn't really like chunky veg. Is that a man thing? I feel like it is. I feel like my dad also doesn't love vegetables. Anyway, I'm going to try this now. So let's see what we think. It's actually delicious. It kind of tastes like lasagna because I've got a little bit of the cheese and the basil and stuff. I'm going to watch something on Matt's iPad, I think, and just have a chill, quiet night. Happy Monday. I will chat to you guys when we have our bath and do fake tan. When I say we have our bath, obviously it's me that's having the bath, and I'm not filming myself in the bath, but I'll show you some products I'm using and some fake tanning and stuff. I feel like what better night to do that than like a cold, rainy, wet night when you just need a warm bath but also want to look a little bit more alive with some tan. It's the perfect remedy. Dinner is finished, literally just. And I'm going to make myself a bath. Run myself a bath. I've got my new little exfoliators here, and I'm going to actually open a new razor. Actually, did I just recently open a new razor? I think I might have, yeah. I have a new head on my razor, which is this little Venus. I just used the Venus Gillette, you know, these little kind of disposable ones. But I kind of use the head for way longer than I think is socially acceptable. I just use it until it's like the kind of soapy bit is all worn down and stuff. I'm going to do a bit of tan with my Saint-Tropez favourite, and then I'm going to put on a pair of quite dark, probably black pyjamas. I've also started using again the Tan Luxe face tanner. I actually have a little bit of that on now, and I quite like the kind of shade of it. So I'm going to do a bit of this on my face, and then I might just contour with the Saint-Tropez. And I have my disposable gloves. I showed you guys these earlier, I'm pretty sure. Did I show these earlier? I can't remember, but I got an Amazon package tonight, and it had these disposable gloves in it, and I just feel like disposable gloves are the way to do tan. It means that you don't waste loads of tan on a tanning mitt, and I don't know, I just much prefer it. Oh, also, I know I recently got Living Proof shampoo and conditioner for my birthday. Not my birthday, for my Christmas. But I was actually in dire need of some new shampoo and conditioner, and then I bought these. I forgot that I had the other ones upstairs. I've been using these. These are the Charles Worthington Volume and Bounce shampoo and conditioner. They smell amazing. They weren't too expensive. I think they were like £7 each. And they are for plumping and increasing volume and body and bounce for all day long. I mean, look at my hair. This is not a good example of the body and bounce that you can get from it, but they smell amazing, and they actually remind me of holidays because I always get the little travel size version of these when we go away on holiday. So I don't know, I just like the smell, and I feel like it washes your hair well. Anyway, let's get this bath run. I'm just sitting down to have a cup of tea and edit this vlog that is literally going to go live tomorrow, I realised that I haven't actually started watching the Molly May documentary on Amazon Prime. Please let me know your thoughts down below if anyone has watched it. I'm quite a big Molly May fan. I mean, I love watching her vlogs. She does the nicest like long vlogs. My camera's flashing red for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, she does really good long vlogs and I enjoy watching them. I'm not like a big crazy like fan or anything, but I do really like her vlogs and I feel like she's a really nice person. So I am gonna see what this documentary is all about. Yeah, I'm just really happy that I still have it to watch. We've completely run out of things to watch now. Traitors is over. Also, the seer thing in Traitors kind of ruined it for me. I thought initially, oh, it's good because it's just like a little bit of extra kind of drama to the game. But in hindsight, I feel like Charlotte probably would have been in the final and it probably would have been even more exciting if she had won the money. I didn't really love Leanne. I thought she was quite mean. Or she had like some mean girl energy going on. And who else? Wait, who else was it? Oh, it was Jake. Oh God, what was the guy's name? I'm so rubbish with names. Yeah, that other guy that won it with her, I actually thought he was quite a nice guy. I'm kind of glad that he won it, but I kind of wish, I don't know, I wish they hadn't done the seer thing. Anyway, I am going to go now. I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a really, really normal day in the life for me. Get home from work at like 7 p.m, make dinner, have a bath. I don't normally have a bath, so that was a little bit more exciting, but it's been pretty chilled. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to enjoy my little cup of tea. Did I just show you guys my tea? I think so. This is my Le Creuset mug. I actually ordered a pink one of these on John Lewis and it arrived and it's gorgeous. I'm just using the blue one because it was clean. And yeah, I will see you guys for another video on Sunday. Bye.